Best of 3 daw. So, pag natapos na to, bagong series na naman. Okay, sige. We are back on the blue side. Amaya, Tiny, and Ate Bibi versus Cyrald, Loreline, and Gabby. Alright, Jade is on the bench. Parent problem. May sasama tayo mamaya. Pag bumalik na si Jade, Arcel is going to be subbed in para maging 4v4 na daw. That is, if natapos niya agad yung sulatin sa PJ. Anyways. Okay. At Badang, Mia, and Aurora versus Fanny, Freya, and Amon. Walang marksman. Early game lang to. Wala na tong late game. Dire-diretso na. But okay, sige, naghihintay lang tayo. Okay, ayan na. The game has officially started. Okay, sige. Alright. Flex lang muna tayo dyan ng TP Amaya, no? Okay, Loreline here with the Amon. Tago muna kapag may time. Oh, grabe. Okay. While Gabby here on top on the XP lane. Now Cyrald being the core. Hindi kagad siya nag-farm? What? Dahil wala silang MM, bot lane is a really huge weakness here. What the? Ano, Cyrald? Farm. Cyrald, hindi siya nagpa-farm. Bakit hindi ka nagpa-farm? Pwede tayo mag-farm, Cyrald. Ayan na, magpa-farm na siya. Magpa-farm na. Okay. Killer niya lang. Oh! Gabby here! Masyado tayo focus kay Cyrald. But we didn't see that he just took down Dane again. Wow! Okay. Loreline nakatakas pa. Okay, there's the blue buff taken by Lord Zai. Dito Wanderer still buhay. Habang Gabby here, kinukuha na nga yung Scaled Lizard. Ay, hindi yan Scaled Lizard. Yan yung Ipis. Basta Ipis yan. Yan na yung, okay, kumpleto ng mga boots. Cyrald here. Pa-farm lang. Farm lang. Okay. Naghihintay pa tayo ng mga flashy na ano eh. Yun ang hinihintay natin eh. Yung mga flashy, funny plays niya. Kaya tinawag namin siyang parang si Kyrie. You're just waiting for it. Maghintay ka lang. Yan ay darating din. Meanwhile, dito muna tayo kay Gabby at Daini. They are having a match. Suntok. Laban sa espada. Ngayon, Amaya nga nagkakat na ng lane. May ulti na dito si Loreline. So, okay, tinamaan siya ng first kill. Grabe, okay. Oh, no! Tinamaan siya ng ulti. Palakasan na lang. Makatakas pa ba si Loreline? Hindi na. Amaya ambushes him. But now, again, Gabby. Naglalag siya. Oh, kills it. Okay. Makikita ba natin? Cyrald, hindi na makakatakbo pa. Hindi na makakatakbo pa. Okay, so ayan na nga yung win tower for Amaya. Okay. Now Cyrald, they're just silently taking the blue buff. Amaya here with the Mia is going to be are big nuisance in the late game. Kasi kung sa early game pa nga lang, pinapahirapan na kayo. Paano pa kaya sa late game, diba? Okay. Farm lang dito. Hanggat kaya. Si Gabi at si Cyrald. Okay. So, sino target nila? Nandito si Sandwiches at si Daini. Okay, Loreline. Makapapalaga dito si Daini. Daini will not die. Ang ganda ng dash. Nagmintis yung mga daggers. Nag-freeze. Yan tuloy. Hindi pa namatay si Ate Bibi. Okay. Buburst down kaya ni Cyrald. Ayan si Gabi. Naghihintay. No. Hindi nila i-burst down. Okay, Amaya here. Now going to the mid lane. Inaabangan niya lang si Loreline dito sa bush. Nag-aabang lang siya. Ayan na nga po! Amaya! Trying to take down Loreline and it proves, wow, 3-0. Amaya will be their biggest nuisance. Their biggest problem here. But if they can burst him down like what he did to Ate Bibi, so fast hands. Kaya nakilala bilang Kyrie ng Pinas to. Joke lang. Kyrie ng Pinas ay Pilipino si Kyrie. Kyrie ng grade 8 SPJ kasi napakabilis ng kamay niyan. Napakabilis. Oy, Lord Sai here. Taking the blue buff. Level 7 na siya. Okay, may naglalaban nga dito. And Gabi kills Dane once more. Now he gets the Blade of Despair. Naghihintay nga lang tayo. You know. Okay, may Berserker's Fury na. Dalawa na item ni Amaya. He is so oh! Loreline shut down. She is so ahead. Na yung mga kakampi niya 2,000 gold pa lang siya, 5,000 na. There's no parity but it works. So, I guess it's fine. By the way, may Starlium site na dito si Loreline. May BOH in short for oh my god, Dane here taking down Gabi. Okay. In short for Blade of Heptasis. But now, Gabi, okay, Cyrald, hindi niya mababurst down si Dane. Wala siyang energy. May blue buff ba siya? Let's see. Yes, may blue buff siya. But the energy problem is real. Okay. Okay, Amaya here clearing the bottom lane. Pretty good. Okay, Amaya now going to mid lane. Gabi versus Dane again. There's the stun. This is the stun that we're looking for. Ayan na nga po yung labanan. Gabi takes Dane down. Okay. Oh! Amaya able to take down. Lauren able to escape. Amaya able to take down Cyrald. But then, Loreline takes him down. Takes her down. And now, Gabi tower dive to take down Sandwich. Okay, 1-4-3 trade. Not a good trade. Anyways, ayan na nga yung blue buff ni Cyrald. We are just watching him struggle. Ay, napos. Sorry Don. Napos. Now the match continues. Sorry about the sa pause na yon. Napindot. Ay, mukhang mamamatay dito si Loreline, but hindi siya ita-tower dive, kaya okay lang. Okay na, we're looking at Gabi. Oh, Cyrald siya, nag-tower dive siya pa! Ang napatay! Ayan na kayo, Haas Claws. Meron ng Haas Claws dito si Gabi. Hinahabol siya ni Amaya, but Amaya, turtle? Bakit kayo nagte-turtle? Bawal ang turtle! Bawal ang turtle! Bakit sila nag-turtle? Why? Hindi nga kinukuha ni Cyrald yung turtle, tapos nag-turtle naman kayo. Ano yun? Anyway, stop lane here. No, mid lane here, push. By the minions. Like, why? Bakit kayo nag-push? Ba't kayo nag-turtle? Di kayo dapat mag-turtle. Ay, Little Wonder here. Grabe si Amaya. 8K! Oh my God! Grabe, sobrang laki talaga ng gold lead. Dahil sa kanya kaya 2K ang gold lead eh. Na may na-destroy. Oh! Diny takes down Laurelin! Lord Sai! Cyrald cannot get a revenge kill. TP-TP lang pag may time, says Amaya. Okay, so mukhang i-invade nga nila ang jungle dito. Hindi pwede yan. But I can't control them. Yan ang golden staff. Yan na rin ang Blade of... Yan na rin Berserker's Fury and the Genius Wand. Wow, may Malefic Gana! Si Mia. Oy, Cyrald, really hesitant to take the blue buff kasi inaabangan siya doon. No, nag-vision muna siya. And now, panatag na ang loob niya na mag-blue buff. Okay. Ayan na nga. Si Laurelin nag-clear lang dito sa bot lane. Meanwhile, Gabi here, tamang farm lang pag may time. Kinilir ka agad ni Amaya yung minions para sure na mapupush talaga tong top. Okay. Ayan na. Ayan na yung mga dive. Ayan na si Amaya. Sugod lang pag may time. Pero wala patay. Oh my God. Cyrald's the only guy remaining. Mukhang mananalo lang nga sila dito sa serye na to. Ayan na. Glowing wand from Ate Bibi. Okay. Losing team lagi nakaka-comeback. Okay. Okay, sabi dito ni Jade, losing team laging nakaka-comeback. Pero kaya ka ba kumambak pero wala na ata. Okay. Cyrald here. Amaya here. Zoning Cyrald out. Okay, sige. Let's just focus on the game for now. Mamaya na yung mga yan. 11 minutes pa lang. Pero mukhang matatapos na ata agad to. Buti na lang, pushing is not allowed. Kaya, buhay pa. Buhay pa rin. Oh! Laurelin gets killed on the turret by Mia. Oh, Gabi taken down! Cyrald taken down! And I think this is game over. It's game over. Wala ka na magagawa dito. 6K gold lead. There's nothing you can do. But Laurelin is alive. He's trying to see what she can do. Bot lane here being stuck here on the towers, okay? Okay, Laurelin here defending but wala talaga. Amaya now, makakagalaw na siya freely. Ayan na nga yung Oracle kay Diny. Okay, buhay na si Gabi. And Cyrald now, on the attack, okay. Walang tinamaan yung second skill ni Diny. Okay, wala damage dito si Laurelin. Ayan na nga, Cyrald, but no, the dive is no good. Ayan na nga, Laurelin. Kalio, wala, nakakonceal si Amaya kaya hindi pa siya napatay. Gabi now on the attack, patay na, and it's over. I think this is it. Ito na yon. I-clear na nila ang mga minions. Quick game for today. I don't know why this happened. O, eto na nga. Hindi nila i-clear kagad yung mga minions at mukhang mabubuhay pa nga si Cyrald. Makapag-def pa. Hindi pa tapos ang ating laban. Hindi pa. Not yet. Buhay na rin si Laurelin. Makapag-def pa nga ba? Napakadaming minions. Diyos ko po. Pero makapag-death pa kasi buhay na si Gabi. Tingnan natin kung totoo nga ba yung kasabihan na ang losing team laging nakaka-comeback. Pero sa tingin ko, hindi na ata yung mangyayari ngayon kasi walang MM ang team Jade. Okay, ayan na nga! Amaya just took out their DPS! Oh, and it's over. It's over. There's the victory. 2-0. Wow. Okay, so ngayon, makakasama na natin. Magiging 4v4 na to.